Alright, welcome back to the Minted Melon. Today we're going to be focusing on Eggs Benedict. Okay, I went ahead and got our pots boiling full of water here. This one's going to be for our egg, but this one over here is going to be for our double broiler. We're going to make the sauce for the Eggs Benedict. You're going to need some butter, but you're going to need some melted butter, not the softened butter. Alright, and then we're going to have to take our eggs. Today I have 3 eggs, and only 2 we're going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. This one is going in here. Right? We're going to cook that egg in boiling water. I have a piece of toast here. Cut off the edges for dramatic effect, so that way our egg will fit perfectly onto the piece of bread. Alright? So, let's get started making Eggs Benedict. Alright, we're going to focus today on boiling our egg, and then we're going to get working the egg sauce. Alright, when you crack your egg, make sure you get close to the water so that way we're not breaking the egg. Our Eggs Benedict. Very, very carefully. Alright, look at that. Alright, in this pan of bowls over here, what we're going to do is separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're off to a good start. Now what I do, I just use my fingers. Alright, 1. And 2. Alright, we separated the egg whites from the egg yolks. Now comes the fun part. We're going to whisk these up a little bit. And now we're going to transfer these over to a different pan, which is a steel pan, to make our sauce on the double broiler. Alright, I'm not using a lot of egg, so this is where you really got to be careful, because you can cook the egg very, very quickly. So I'm going to add just a tad bit of butter. I'm going to stir this up. This double broil will cook these eggs fairly quickly. All right, here we go. You can see that right there. And what you want to do, put a little towel down right there. So while we're cooking our egg, take it off, keep stirring. This is something that has to be constantly stirred. Adding butter slowly. Alright, see that right there? Alright, about enough butter in there. We just got to make sure this sauce is ready to rock. See how it's thickening up? You make this? Oh yeah. So that's when you know it's done. Alright. Sure y'all can see that in there. Now you notice that I'm alternating off and on the double broiler because I don't want to cook the eggs. Because you can make scrambled eggs on the double broiler. Alright, just like our sauce is ready. Let's do it one more time. This bad boy up. See, there we go. Yeah. I'm glad I put it back on there one more time. Now you can see the consistency now. We're coming down like that right there. That's what we're looking for right there. All right. Now, we do have our egg still in here, boiling. So what we want to do is take a spoon right here. We want to come under the egg. How beautiful that egg is. All right. We're going to place it on top of the toast. And we're going to do some plate presentation. And we'll see how it turns out. Thank you. All right, I went ahead. I got a spoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle it all over our our Eggs Benedict. Look at that thickness and that consistency. Our egg sauce. Woo! There we go. There we go. So right here, Eggs Benedict. All right, I hope you enjoyed this segment of Eggs Benedict. Okay, you can see this looks beautiful. Has a nice texture to it. I love Egg Benedict. I love making Egg Benedict. So don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that way when we make a new episode, you'll be the first ones to get it. Thank you for visiting Mince and Melon, and guys have a great day.